In my mind, I count the days till she is mine. I'll show her a world where we belong, but she'll have to drive us to the prom. She looks up and sees me there, so I can't help but stop and stare. That's what I go to school for. Though it is a real bore, you can call me crazy, she is so amazing. That's what I go to school for. Even though it is a real bore, good friends I've had plenty, she's the one that I need. That's what I go to school for. That's what I go to school for.
I think he really likes this girl.